Now it's time to unlock the secret of red whipped cream. The biggest challenge for home bakers is achieving the perfect red color in whipped cream. But don't worry, just add red and green color to your whipped cream in a ratio 4:2 and mix until the desired color is achieved. However, be cautioned not to add too much coloring as it can make the taste bitter. I recommend using gel color from a reputable brand for the best result. I always prefer using Magic Colors brand. Your red whipped cream is now ready. It's time to delight your clients with your attractive cakes. You can use this red cream for frosting cakes, cupcakes, and many more treats. And yes, don't forget to subscribe for more such tricks. See, the cupcakes are looking so pretty, aren't they? And some golden sprinkle on top will definitely enhance the presentation.